I instantly regret it.
It is gone, and I do regret it. The sad part is I filmed weddings both with and without the beard, and it was weird, like as I do more higher end weddings, it seems like it takes a lot longer for people to open up to me, especially the parents and the bridal party. But with that said, with that out of the way, last week I went to my local camera shop and I picked up a 50mm f2. And I just wanted to try it out for video. I got it for 300 bucks used, but new online it goes from $400 to $450. And I tried it yesterday at a wedding, and I primarily used it for couple shots and for guest dancing, and I used it on the glide cam. So in this video, I just want to give you my thoughts and show you some sample footage if you're considering this lens. So I absolutely enjoyed this lens. It has amazing autofocus. Fuji, a lot of you guys are probably familiar with the 56 f1.2, which is an amazing photography lens, but the autofocus for video is terrible. This, on the other hand, is really nice, and since it's a 50mm f2, the equivalent is a 75mm, so you get a nice, prettier background. The only issue I had is with the glide cam, since it is a longer reach, your movements will show more of your mistakes. So like in these clips, you're able to see a little bit of shake, which I wouldn't traditionally get when I'm filming on the 23, which I typically film with. With a little stabilization, and if you're just doing quick shots, I think for the glide cam, it's totally fine. I have the Moza Air 2, which is a motorized gimbal, but I personally like the glide cam just because it's faster. Like this wedding in particular, we only had a few minutes before they had to get into the ceremony, so you can get all kinds of fast angles, and just in my opinion, I think it's way faster to get multiple angles with the glide cam compared to the Moza Air 2. However, if you're looking for longer shots with this 50mm f2, I would definitely recommend using a motorized gimbal. So me personally, I'm going to be sticking with the 23mm f2 for couple shots. I just feel on the glide cam it hides a lot more of your mistakes. However, I am going to keep this 50 and I'm going to be using it for guest dancing shots. The nice part about the focal range is grabbing faces from far away. So when you're filming guests at the wedding, usually they're going to get cringed out when they see you filming them and they're not going to enjoy themselves. Where this, you can be crazy far away and get the tight shots on their face, which I personally like, which really captures the emotion and adds for a nice dancing sequence. So overall, I absolutely love this lens, and if any of you guys are interested, I'll leave a link below. In my next video, I'm going to be talking about how you can create a huge $500 backpack for $169. So make sure you guys subscribe if you want to see that and see more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.